created inexpensive a wardrobe out of under -100 items. Elevate your style with a fashion-forward fusion of a suit, a romantic blouse, and chic flats. This outfit strikes the perfect balance between sophistication and comfort, making it ideal for a variety of occasions. Start with a suit in a classic color like navy, charcoal, or black. The structured silhouette exudes professionalism and timeless elegance. Opt for a well-fitted blazer and trousers to create a polished look that flatters your figure. Underneath the suit, introduce a touch of romance with a delicately detailed blouse. Choose a blouse with feminine elements such as lace, ruffles, or a soft floral pattern. The juxtaposition of the structured suit and the romantic blouse adds a dynamic and stylish dimension to your outfit. When it comes to footwear, keep things comfortable yet stylish with a pair of flats. Whether they're pointed toe, loafers, or ballet flats, choose a design that complements the sophistication of the suit. Accessorize with minimalist jewelry such as a sleek watch or medium entwine hoop earrings to maintain the overall polished aesthetic. Consider a classic handbag, like a structured purse, to complete the ensemble. This versatile outfit can transition seamlessly from the office to a dinner date or a semi-formal event. The suit provides a strong foundation, while the romantic blouse and flats infuse a touch of femininity and practicality. Embrace the power of this fashion trifecta, and you'll be ready to conquer the day with style and confidence.